Hey everybody, it's the Diva and I'm back. Welcome to my mukbang. Today we are having a seafood boil, or should I say a seafood boil cousin, a seafood boil cousin. Yeah, I ordered this today. It was $30 and I basically got two of everything. So they're eggs, mussels, lobster, corn, potato, shrimp, and I added the crab legs because I wanted crab. So, and of course I have my water, H2O. Can't do without it, guys. You need it to live. So it might be small in size, but it might be packing in flavor. So let's find out. Let's dig in, guys. I was so disappointed when I went and I picked it up and it was so tiny. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's okay. It's all right. It works. I'm hungry. So guys, what's going on? What's been happening? What is this? That was conch, guys. Conch. Do you know what conch is? Look it up. Conch. The sausage is good. Here's the lobster. Woohoo! So what's up? What's happening? I'm hungry, so it's hitting the spot. How was your day? My day was okay. Could have been better. But who's complaining? You guys know I can never get the crab come out smoothly. Okay, that was an epic fail. Oops. Okay, let's try an egg. I'm good at the egg. So guys, Beloved have a new garlic butter sauce. I ordered mine already. So I'm waiting to get it. Can't wait. I've watched a few reviews and it seemed like it was delicious. I'm already in love with her other sauces, so I am basically waiting to receive that one. Conk. Have you guys seen my video with the gummy bear challenge? Oh my god. I thought I was gonna die, literally. If you haven't, you should go and check it out. That video was sponsored by a good friend of mine who owns Greenwood Inc. and Go Green Trucking. Oh my god, he definitely set me up on that one. We all know I like spicy, and I thought I could handle the heat. Oh my god. I'll leave the link for that video down below. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think I should reevaluate this friendship because friend don't do that to friend. Madeline, that wasn't cool. That was not cool at all. But I'm always up for a challenge, so I wasn't gonna back down at all. But I did it, guys. I did the challenge. I survived the gummy bear without relief for 5 minutes. So go check out Malon at Greenwood Inc. He makes all kind of stuff. He can make dressers. He can make anything out of wood you want it. He makes it. He is really good. You go there, you mention Diva Eats, and you get 5% off your total price. Tell him I sent you. But I don't think we can be friends anymore because I don't know how friends can do that to friends. That was a complete setup. Mm-hmm. Yup. So, Richard Branson flew to space the other day on his spacecraft. Which I thought was so cool. I would definitely do it if I had the opportunity. Mm-hmm. Guys, this is not the best, but it's doing the job right now. Would I get it again? No. Let's see, let's see. Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. Woo! I got it, I got it. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Finally. Mm-hmm. Can't go wrong with crab. Definitely not. Not bad at all. Let me get one more shrimp. So guys, this video today is definitely more eating, less talking. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Shrimp is good, good, good. The last shrimp for the road. I think that was what? 3 shrimps? Woohoo. Guys, I was hungry, so it hit the spot. If I wasn't hungry, this was definitely a no-no. I will not be getting this again. So yeah, let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what you want to talk about. Don't forget to go and check out the gummy bear challenge. I made it, but it was tough. Go and check out Go Green Chuckin' and Greenwood Inc. Tell Marlon I sent you, and you get 5% off of anything you need done, whether it's trucking work or woodwork. Yeah. Take your mind out the gutter. But yes. Tell them I sent you, and you get 5 off your final price. This was a failure, but it did the job. It's that time again where I have to sign out. So this is Diva Eat signing out. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.